I resprayed it at the body shop. Automotive clear. A lot more shiny. The color is more continuous and doesn't have dull spots anymore. Before, Anderson composite clear that was on it had shiny spots and dull spots. Here's where the crack was. You just very, very vaguely see where it was. It's right here, but you don't feel it, so hopefully it'll stop spreading and won't have this problem anymore. Here's the front lip. It's real shiny. They did a good job on it. Look at Clark's Brothers. Here's the rockers, the carbon rockers. This came out beautiful. Glad I went ahead and got everything re-cleared. Here's other rocker. Yeah, Clark